Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how to uninstall Microsoft Edge permanently. You can't uninstall Edge like other softwares because Microsoft won't let you do that. So you will have to use another software to uninstall Microsoft Edge. You should be able to see that the uninstall option is grayed out as usual. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open any browser. Here I am choosing Google Chrome. Now search for Wise Program Uninstaller. Here click on the first site. Now click on free download. The program is now being downloaded. Now right click on it and click on show in folder. Now double click on the setup file. Here click on install. Click on finish. You should be able to see that the softwares installed on this computer are all shown in this window. Now check on Microsoft Edge and expand it. Now you will have to click on force uninstall. Click on yes. You will have to wait some time to complete the process. In the meantime, the software will be removed completely. If you find this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.